Can anybody say banana bread? I mean, there's nothing like it. It's simple, it's delicious, and I love to toast it and slather some nice butter on it. Well, I'm going to show you my quick and easy recipe. I'll be back. Well, of course, I'm back, to show you how to make some good old-fashioned banana bread, my way, Jackie's way. But before anything else, my loves, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press that notification bell for weekly updates. And don't forget to like and share. All right, let everybody know about me. Let everybody know about Jackie's Cooking. So, guys, these are ingredients, okay? We have some good old flour. We have some eggs. We have some oil. We have some butter. We have some cinnamon. We have some white sugar. And we have some baking powder, baking soda, and some allspice in here, okay? And a little bit of salt, of course. And we have some bananas. Of course, you're gonna need bananas. And these bananas are nice and ripe. As a matter of fact, I took them and I stuck them in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes. And you could ripen your bananas, okay? The riper they are, the better this banana bread will be. We got some brown sugar. We have some vanilla, okay? Some good old vanilla. And we also have some banana emulsion flavoring. Guys, I'll leave you the link below of where you could get this. I ordered these online, and that will just set this banana bread off. You know what I'm saying? And we have some sour cream. Okay? So, let's get to it. Of course, my lazy butt's gonna use my stand mixer, okay? But you don't have to. You could do this by hand. So I'm taking my nice butter, which is at room temperature, and I'm throwing it into my bowl. I'm adding my oil. The reason why I'm adding the oil, my loves, is to give it that extra moistness, okay? Now I'm adding my dark brown sugar. I changed it to dark brown because there's something about the dark brown sugar that gives it more of a, like a caramelly taste. Now I'm adding my white sugar. And we're going to beat this, okay, until this comes together for about 2 minutes. And guys, the ingredients are listed in the box below. And now we are peeling our bananas. Now, guys, if you don't have any ripe bananas, you could put these in the oven at 350, okay, for 10 minutes, and that will ripen your bananas, okay? But the riper they are, the better that this banana bread will be. I was about to say banana pudding. So now we're just mashing our bananas, okay? We got these nice and mashed, and now we are going to mix our dry ingredients, which is our flour, cinnamon, allspice, baking powder, baking soda, and our salt, okay? And we're gonna mix those together, and we're gonna set it to the side. All right, so now we're adding our eggs, guys, to our butter mixture. Everything's at room temperature, of course, all right? And I'm just gonna beat that for about 20-25 seconds, okay? Well, actually 10 to 20 seconds, okay? Banana bread, you do not need a stand mixer for this, okay? You really don't, okay? So I'm adding my other egg. Okay, if you have an electric hand mixer, fine. If you don't, you even could do this by hand with a whisk, okay? It's not that deep. I just got lazy and I didn't feel like it, okay? So guys, remember to scrape your bowl. It's so important to scrape your bowl, okay? We want to make sure everything is well incorporated in there. We don't want anything left out, okay? We want to make sure all that goodness gets in there. Now we are going to add our bananas that are nice and mashed, okay? And we are going to mix that into our mixture, okay? So basically we're incorporating all our wet ingredients first, then we're going to dump in our dry ingredients, okay? That simple, that quick. So now, guys, we are going to add our flavorings. I got this banana emulsion. I got this online from Amazon. I will leave a link in the description box below of where I order it. You don't need a lot of this because they're very powerful. Emulsions are very good for cakes and stuff like that because it doesn't have so much alcohol or something like that in it where it's going to evaporate and you don't get the flavor. But these emulsions are delicious by Lauren. Okay, so now we had added our vanilla and we dumped our flour in there all at once. All right, and all we want to do at this point, we want to mix this. We don't want to overmix it. We just want to mix this until it comes together. Okay? But at the same time, my loves, do not forget to scrape your bowl. We're going to add our sour cream. Okay? And that extra sour cream is going to make it extra moist as well. Okay? Okay, and now we are going to scrape our bowl. Okay, we just want to make sure everything is incorporated in there. Okay, and I just turned the mixer on for an extra 5 seconds. And that's that. Okay, and now we're taking it out of the bowl and we are going to pour this into a well-prepared buttered and floured bread pan. Okay, I think I overfilled this a little bit. Okay, but when you're making this, I don't think I did, but I think I filled it up 3 1/4 of the way up. Okay, but always leave some space, guys, when you're baking because you do not want the batter to overflow because then you will have a mess and it will not be cute. Okay, so now we're putting in our preheated oven for 350 minutes for about 60 minutes, 70 minutes, and this is our banana bread. Okay, and we are going to let it cool and for about a few minutes, and then I'm going to take it out of the pan now. Okay, and what's so good about banana bread, guys, you could add chocolate chips, you could add coconut, nuts, whatever you like. And here it is, my loves, our delicious banana bread. Okay, simple, quick, to the point. Okay, and loves, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to press that notification bell for updates, like and share. Okay, let everybody know about me, Jackie's Cooking. So now we are slicing into our delicious banana bread. Oh my, I love it when it's warm, guys. And some people might be like, why do you like adding butter to it? I don't know. I just like slathering some butter on it. But this is it right here. It's nice and moist and fluffy. Life is beautiful. I just tell you this. Life is beautiful. Good food, good people, good vibes. Okay. But my loves, please do 3 things for me. That's eat, love, and pray. Until next time.